Papaya Dal curry recipe, usually served along with rice for best taste. You can also have it along with chapathi or roti. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take half cup of washed and soaked Toor Dal. Add 2 cup of papaya cut into small pieces like this. I have soaked Toor Dal for 1 hour. Half chopped tomato, 4 chopped garlics, 3 green chilli slits. Then add 1 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on medium flame for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Leave it rest for at least 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded mixture. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut, add 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 cup of water and grind it into a paste form. After 20 minutes, we can open the cooker. Everything has cooked well. Now add the grinded mixture to it. Also add half cup of warm water used to wash the grinder jar after grinding the coconut. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Now switch on the flame and cook for 6 minutes on low flame. While cooking, keep stirring it continuously. Also careful not to boil it.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then add 3 red chillies cut into halves, some curry leaves. Mix all together. Cook for a minute. Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and wait at least 10 minutes before stirring. After 10 minutes, we can stir it well. Kerala style papaya dal curry recipe is ready. Usually served along with rice for best taste. You can also have it along with chapathi or roti.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.